Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Graphics Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need a circle. Then name this fill color. Pick up the stroke color. Now we need another circle. Select the circle and align horizontal and vertically center. Select the circle, go to object and make a blend. Now take blend option, specify steps to preview it, then OK. Now select all, go to object and expand. Now we take line segment tool, hold Alt plus Shift and draw the line. Select this line, hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust this line perfectly. Select all lines and group it. Now we take rotate tool. Rotate angle 30°, preview it, then OK. Join with circle carefully. Now you need reflect tool. Line adjust with circle carefully and perfectly. Now we need line segment tool, hold Shift and draw the line. Hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust this line. Select this line, go to edit, copy and paste in front. Hold Shift and rotate. Hold Shift and adjust this line. Now you need a circle. Hold Shift and draw the circle. Select all, go to object and expand. Now you take Shape Builder tool and draw your design carefully and perfectly. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.